Hello, Mr. Maidur. Thank you for joining us. So, as I seen the Sunbase new product, so will you please give the brief about this new product?
Yeah, sure. First of all, thank you so much, Hardik, to invite me for this in this interview. Okay, this is the Sunbase new on-grid inverter, mainly focused on the CNI project.
Okay.
So for this one, we developed this product is from 100 kilowatt to 170 kilowatt. So from 100 to 150 kilowatt, this one is output voltage in the 400 volt, and 150 and 170 kilowatt, this one is the HV output is the 500 volt. Then this product comes with the 10 MPPT, and per MPPT there is the 2 string. And as a features you can say this one as a features we added in here the AFCI function. And this inverter, the unique things of this inverter, it can generate the 10% extra output. I mean, what's the power capacity is written in here? It can generate the 10% extra. So that means the client, who will use this inverter for the CNI project, they can get their investment payback period time will be the faster.
All right.
Yeah.
So, is there any other more key features or any major features you can say about this new product?
Okay. That I already said. We added the AFCI function, and also we added some things new on the cooling technology. So here you can see that we added the fan. We added the fan in the tray. So in the other inverters, you will see that when you need to clean the fan, then you need to open the inverter.
Right.
But for this inverter, you no need to clean the fan. You no need to open the inverter box. So this is just a tray. You can just open this tray and can clean the fan. The fan. And
so it is very easy for the installer, right?
Yes, right.
Very easy.
Right.
Okay. And these are the DC switches that use for the isolation of the DC inputs, right? For the MPPT, this DC switch.
Yes,
designed for the
MPPT. Right. We actually divided this one. It is like this way. For the 4 MPPT, we keep the one DC switch, then another for the 3 MPPT, we keep the another DC switch, and for the another 3 MPPT, we keep the separate DC switch. So their total will be the 3 DC switch.
Oh. So it will be very great advantage to isolate the certain DC inputs through this DC switch.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yes. So thank you so much to give the brief about this new product. Thank you so much.
Thank you.